Good morning, children. You know that if any chemical reaction is to be taken place, the reactant molecules must colloid. But all the collisions are not effective. Only those reactant molecules are converted in the form of product which are having some extra energy, which is known by the name of threshold energy. But the reactant molecules are having less energy at room temperature than threshold energy. That extra energy must be supplied in the form of heat or light. That extra energy which is supplied so that the energy of molecules becomes equal to that of a threshold energy is called activation energy. Yesterday I have told you about the Arrhenius equation. This Arrhenius equation is K is equal to A E minus EA upon RT. K is rate constant. A is known by the name of pre-exponential factor, or this is known by the name of frequency factor. EA is activation energy, R is universal gas constant, and T is the absolute temperature. The factor A and EA upon RT are known by the name of Arrhenius parameter, and we can very easily calculate activation energy just by using this parameter. If I take log on both the sides, the expression will become ln K is equal to ln A minus EA upon RT. ln is based to the natural log. Now suppose there are two temperatures. One of the temperature is T1 and the other temperature is T2, and there are two rate constant. One is K1 and the other rate constant is K2. Then this equation will become ln K1 is equal to ln A minus EA upon RT. ln K2 is equal to ln A minus EA upon RT2. If I subtract this equation from this equation, the equation will become ln K2 over K1 is equal to EA upon R 1 upon T1 minus 1 upon T2. But the ln cannot be calculated, so it has to be converted in the form of log. For converting in the form of log, it has to be multiplied by 2.303. So when it is converted in the form of log, the equation becomes log K2 over K1 is equal to EA upon 2.303 R T2 minus T1 upon T1 into T2. I can calculate any rate constant if one of the rate constant is given. I can calculate activation energy. I can calculate one temperature if activation energy is given to it. This can be calculated graphically. If the graph is plotted between log K and that of a 1 upon T, I will get a straight line here. This is according to the straight line equation. The intercept will give the value of log A and the slope will give the value of minus EA upon 2.303 R. If slope is known, activation energy can be calculated. If it is in the form of ln, then a curve is plotted. Again there is a straight line and the slope will give ln A and the slope will give minus EA upon R and the intercept will give ln A. We can very easily calculate log K is equal to minus EA upon RT plus log A. If we know the value of pre-exponential factor, the K can be calculated by taking the antilog. Go through derivation, practice numerical. If any query, let me know.